Imagine you open Instagram and see an ad for a new pair of shoes. You ignore it. Later, you search on Google, best comfortable shoes. The same brand appears again. Then you watch a YouTube video and their ad comes before the video. After that, you visit their website, check the price, add the shoes to your cart, but leave without buying. The next day, you receive a message, 10% off. Complete your order today. Now, here is the real question. Was this random? No, this is digital marketing. Before starting this series, remember, digital marketing is built on marketing. So first, check our complete marketing playlist, where we explain the core theories, frameworks, customer behavior, branding, and case studies in detail. Once you understand that foundation, this digital marketing series will make much more sense because here we will apply those ideas to online platforms, ads, data, search, social media, and AI. Most people think digital marketing means posting on social media, making reels, running Facebook ads, or uploading content online. But that is only a small part of it. Digital marketing is much bigger. It is the online system businesses use to attract attention, build trust, convert people into customers, and keep those customers coming back. To understand it clearly, imagine another simple situation. You are hungry. You search on Google, best pizza near me. You see a restaurant on Google Maps. You check its reviews. Then you open its Instagram page. You look at the food pictures. Then you visit its website or delivery app. You check the menu. And finally, you place an order. Without realizing it, you just passed through a complete digital marketing system. Google helped you discover the restaurant. Reviews helped you trust it. Instagram helped you feel interested. The website or app helped you make the buying decision. And the delivery platform completed the transaction. That is digital marketing in action. So in simple words, digital marketing means using digital platforms to reach the right people with the right message at the right time, and then guiding them toward a specific action. That action could be buying a product, booking a service, signing up for a course, downloading an app, visiting a website, watching a video, or remembering a brand for the future. The core idea is simple. Digital marketing connects businesses with customers through online channels. These channels include websites, search engines, social media platforms, online ads, emails, mobile apps, online marketplaces, and now AI-powered search tools. But what makes digital marketing different from traditional marketing? The answer is measurement. In traditional marketing, a business may place a billboard on the road. Thousands of people may see it, but the business may not know exactly who saw it, who cared, who searched for the brand, or who bought because of that billboard. Digital marketing is different. Here, businesses can track almost everything. They can see how many people clicked an ad, how many people watched a video, how many people visited a website, how many people added a product to cart, how many people left without buying, how many people came back again, and how many people finally became customers. This is why digital marketing became so powerful. It combines creativity with data. It uses psychology to understand people. It uses content to educate people. It uses ads to reach people. It uses search engines to be discovered. It uses social media to build attention. It uses email and automation to follow up. And now it uses AI to create content, analyze behavior, personalize offers, and improve campaigns. The same idea operates at a much larger scale in the real world. When Amazon recommends products based on your previous searches, that is digital marketing. When Netflix shows you personalized trailers and recommendations, that is digital marketing. When Nike launches a campaign across YouTube, Instagram, influencers, and its own app, that is digital marketing. When a small restaurant appears on Google Maps and gets customers through reviews, photos, and local search, that is also digital marketing. So digital marketing is not only for big companies. It is used by global brands, small businesses, creators, freelancers, restaurants, schools, hospitals, online stores, and personal brands. But here is the brutal truth. Digital marketing is easy to start, but difficult to master. Anyone can post content. Anyone can boost an ad. Anyone can create an Instagram page. But real digital marketing is not random posting. It is not just chasing trends. It is not just making reels. Real digital marketing is about strategy. It is about understanding the customer journey. It is about knowing where your audience spends time. It is about creating the right message. It is about building trust. It is about measuring results. And it is about improving campaigns again and again. That is why digital marketing is one of the most important business skills in the modern world. Because today, attention is online, search is online, trust is online, shopping is online, reviews are online, entertainment is online, and customer decisions are increasingly shaped by digital platforms. So the simple definition is this: digital marketing is the online system businesses use to attract, engage, convert, and retain customers through digital channels like websites, search engines, social media, ads, email, apps, data, and AI. And now that you understand the basic idea behind digital marketing, the next natural step is to understand how digital marketing actually works as a system, how traffic, data, conversion, and revenue are connected. That is what we will break down in the next episode. If this helped you, subscribe and share it. Our mission is to make quality learning accessible to more people. And as we grow, we aim to use part of our future profits to support better education for those who need it.